know, you got people, a lot of times they'll go their whole life wanting to help somebody and never have the opportunity. And with this job, you get to help somebody every single day. My name is Brian Cox. I work for Advent Electric, and I'm a service technician. I run service calls, go out where people have power failures or lights not working, outlets not working, things like that, and troubleshoot, diagnose, and repair their issues. The first thing is ask a lot of questions, find out what they're experiencing. A lot of times the customer can give you a lot more information than they think they can.
As an electrician, mathematics is necessary for success. Brian uses simple math every day to make sure your outlets and devices are getting the right amount of power.
All you gotta do is just be able to figure out some numbers. It's the simple stuff. There's a need for people in this industry, and you know, it's a good place to excel. I like the feeling of accomplishment, walking in knowing something's not working, and then knowing that I've left and their power's working like it should be, and just kind of gives you a little bit of a good feeling.
Learn more at PBS Learning Media.